Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's recipe is an easy Greek style eggplant with chickpeas. So let's get started.
I gave you my heart.
In our chicken pan, saute or chop onions, veggies, and you can add our spices. Let's add our chickpeas. Chickpeas should be soaked overnight, and since I forgot to soak it, so I just cook it for 5 minutes or so. So if you want a softer texture, you have to soak it overnight. So I also added a little bit of water. So let's simmer it for few minutes. So I added tomato paste for an additional flavor, but it depends of your liking, but it's an optional. For more flavoring, I added organic vegetable broth kit. So our easy Greek style eggplant recipe is ready. Drizzle it with extra virgin olive oil and garnish with parsley and pair with any kind of bread you want. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell notifications for new videos. Bye!